Is this you, part of the sandwich generation, and not sure if your parents have properly set up their estate plan? Good. I've got your attention. Now listen up. I am Valerie 𝗧𝗵𝗵 of 𝗧𝗵𝗵 Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. And we provide peace of mind to families through our extremely high client value estate planning and probate administration services. If you're seeking assistance in either of these areas in New York or New Jersey, you can reach us for a free consultation at 𝗷𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 We're here to educate everyone for free. So please ask your questions and share so together we can help some folks along the way. So you're in the sandwich generation. Me too. You're taking care of some kids still and maybe starting to help your parents too. Me too. Why should you care if your parents have properly set up their estate plan? Well, have you ever heard the phrase shit rolls downhill? This definitely applies here, right? If your parents do nothing or they don't have their plan optimized for themselves or for you, then the mess that is left behind becomes your mess. And in my time, I've seen a lot of pretty bad messes. So a mess left behind, essentially for you, means at the time of their passing, when you're dealing with the administrative process, there's going to be more delays, more expense, and definitely more aggravation, right? So how do we approach your parents and try to avoid that and discuss planning ahead of time so they can get everything set up properly? I believe the greatest tool in getting some quick education and comfort with the process is to watch or listen to insights like this. Those who provide significant education can be found in, many platforms. So if you're watching us on Facebook or Instagram, but your parents have neither of those platforms, right? You can find similar content from us and others on YouTube, LinkedIn, or even as a podcast if it's easier for them to just listen to it. Our tagline, if it's not under our firm of 𝗧𝗵𝗵 Law, you can find us like on YouTube and several other locations under Everything Estate Planning. That's our name. Now, you set mom and pop up with just the first one, and usually they're just going to continue to scroll, right? After 4 or 5, maybe more, depending on your parents, videos or audio podcasts, they're going to get some sense of insight, a little comfort with the topic. And I think that goes a really long way to then lead you to introduce them to a professional in your area, licensed in your state, that you vetted either via, local Facebook groups, Google reviews, or any other way you'd like to kind of find vendors in your area that you would like to work with. So first, take that step. Good luck. I know dealing with parents can be tough sometimes, especially your own. And don't forget to then get your planning moving forward, as I'm pretty sure you don't want the crap to continue rolling downhill, right? So I believe that those who plan do so because they love their families. Again, I'm Valerie 𝗧𝗵𝗵 of 𝗧𝗵𝗵 Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value estate planning and probate administration services. You can reach us for a free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. We hope you've learned something new here today. And please don't forget, share, and take care.